Well, hello out there, KG7YTS here with another video for you. Today's something a bit different. I'm using a screen recorder and narration to show you a video of a computer running Ubuntu MATE that I have. Obviously. So, I've had this computer for a while and I've used a few different versions of Linux and I thought the hard drive was dying. But then magically, I installed Ubuntu MATE and apparently the last version of Linux I had didn't install correctly, because Ubuntu MATE has it working like a charm. No crashes or anything, which was happening, which I thought was the hard drive dying. So, yeah, here's the home screen. I'll show you a few things around here in just a minute. But I just want to say that I am using Simple Screen Recorder to record this video. And it is being a bit slow first time using it, but it fixes itself up here soon. Just gotta wait. As you can tell, I'm narrating it after the fact. I tried speaking with it, but it didn't quite work that way. So as you can see, there's a simple screen recorder thing that I was just talking about. And as you can see, the wallpaper looks awesome. I don't think I'm going to change it. Other versions of Linux, I always wanted to change it, but this one actually looks kind of nice. And it says Ubuntu MATE right in the middle. And as you can see, it says KG7YTS, and that is the username I chose for the computer. So, if you're wondering, Ubuntu MATE, it's a version of Ubuntu, which is a version of Linux, which is a free operating system as compared to Windows and Mac, which you have to pay for to use them on your own hardware and sometimes even to upgrade. But with Linux, you can install it on a Mac, you can install it on a Windows computer, and they even there's even some companies that now sell their own. But as you can see, just going to applications here, it's basically like the start menu on Windows, and it's just got a few different things here. Internet, Office, Programming, Sound and Video, System Tools, and Universal. So yeah, just a few things here. Let's see. Got backups, character map, and some other things. Ubuntu or MATE search tool. And then Pluma text editor, I believe it is. Stuff like that. Take screenshot, you can do that. Then it's got LibreOffice Math under Education. It's got Flight Gear and Play on Linux. I don't use those too much. I just install them. Those are after the fact. And then graphics, it came with I have MATE, LibreOffice Draw, MATE Color Selector, and those other two. And then GNU Image Manipulation Program I installed myself afterwards. So I'll just, yeah, I probably took forever reading it out loud when I was recording it. Internet, got Firefox, came on our Hex Chat, Thunderbird, and transmissions, and then the Oracle web thing I used for Class Connect, Blackboard Class Connect things, which is for my online school. Other online schools do them too. Had a problem with audio working on that, but other than that, it works. Then there's the whole LibreOffice suite and I'm guessing a PDF viewer and then a dictionary. LibreOffice is basically the Linux version of Microsoft Office, except I like it a lot better. It's easier to use. It's simple, not as graphic intensive. It runs faster, so I just kind of like it better. And it can use the Microsoft Word files too. And yeah, I really love that part of Linux. It's great. So I'll probably be going down to the programming section here. Yep, there it is, and that's Oracle Java Mission Control. That's the same thing, Class Connect. And then we've got Audacity, Zero Cheese, and stuff like that. Audacity I installed myself on their simple screen recorder, which is what I'm using to record this. So far it seems to be working great. I was hoping to be able to narrate it as I went, but I couldn't. So then there's just a whole bunch of stuff I'm not even going to take time to read. It does have the terminal and stuff like that. And there's onboard screen, screen magnifier, and screen reader. And then you got some stuff in the places that would be like your Windows Explorer kind of thing. And then it just has some recent files that I've used. Screen record 1.mp4, that is this file right here. Then Ubuntu welcome, native playback, which is the Class Connect stuff, and then a final exam study guide that I was using earlier. And yes, it is officially summer for me now. Woohoo! So yeah, and there's just a couple other stuff. And then system administration, that has all your package installers and stuff like that, software centers, networking, stuff like that, users and groups, time and date. And then just preferences, welcome screen, and control center, which is like the control center on Windows. I can't remember the name for it. You can go to the lock screen, you can log out of the account, you can shut down, but I'm not going to do that right now. So yeah, and then this right here, it's just it's kind of like the taskbar on Windows where you can click what you want and easily access it. So if I wanted to do a Microsoft Word file, I would click that. And it didn't click that time, so I'm going to have to click again. I'll figure it out in a few minutes and then it'll start opening up. I thought it was going to be slow, but nope. It was just because I didn't click it. And as you can see now, it's opening up. LibreOffice 5, I'm not sure if it's current. I don't keep track of stuff like that. All that I care is that it works. So ta-da! And boom! I could type very easily, as I'll do right here. And it's easy to read what you type, which is basically what I said there. Yeah, I'm terrible at typing. So yeah. And ta-da! And then I'm just going to clear out of there. Do I want to save it? Nah. So I'll close out of that. And there's Firefox. That's got my blog up right now. I would do my website, but there's something wrong with it at the moment. And it's not wanting to work properly, as you'll see here in a minute. But this is just my WordPress blog. As you can see, it's got the nice Ubuntu MATE logo on the start screen, and then it's going to load to my blog here in just a few seconds. It's pretty fast. Didn't take too long, and yes, I wrote a blog post about Ubuntu MATE. The title is kind of more of a clickbait thing, but whatever. So yeah. And then if you want to add something to the taskbar, you can just scroll down, find what you want. I'm gonna personally do I think I'll go with GIMP. I use that a lot. So just hold that down and drag it there, drop it, and boom, easily accessed. Now, I just installed it on this computer, so it's going to take a while to set up when I open it up right here, but so it's loading right now. It's going to take a while. And then it's opening up. Loading, 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 loading. It's loading. It's going to take a bit here, though. Get 2.8, not sure if that's current, but again, it works. So it's going to open up here into a multiple window mode, and as you'll see when I'm playing around with it, I'm going to try to make it single window mode, but it had been forever since I set up GIMP before, so I totally forgot. So sorry for looking stupid on the video. And as you can see, it's kind of freezing up here. And there it goes right now. And then boom, it's open. And it has a really cool feature like on Windows where you can just go straight to the desktop. It has the same thing, it's just on the bottom left instead of the bottom right. And then instead of using the taskbar to find what you want, on the bottom it's got this bar that has all the stuff you have open, and you simply click on the other window you want. So this is where I get confused and I try to figure it out, and I probably completely miss it. It's gonna take me a while if I even figured it out. I don't think I did. Now I know that I need to go to the Windows tab thing on it, which I'm not sure if it's gonna show up. Yeah, it doesn't look like it will. Probably has to be maximized, but I'll figure that out eventually. So, yeah, had a hard time figuring it out. Probably didn't even do it on the video, but I've got it fixed right now. And I'm searching through images trying to find it, then I realize, oh wait, wrong thing. So I go to view, try to find it, and still couldn't do it. Now that I think about it, I probably needed to go to navigation window and do it. That's probably maybe it. I'm not sure. And as you can see, everything has sort of a gray-green color scheme, which I like a lot better to the Windows plain stuff. So I'm pretty sure right about now I'm about to okay, I give up, I'll do something else. And yep, there I'm going. It's got two things that I never remembered having on GIMP before, but I try right clicking to find it, doesn't work. Sorry about that noise right there, not sure what that was. So yeah, I just try a bit more. I should probably just stop explaining and wait till I close it right there. It takes a few seconds to close, but it closes. Froze up for a second. But there we go. Now it's closed. So I go back to the browser, and this is where I'm going to try to go to my website. So I'm just going to type in, what was it again? Oh yeah, kg7yts.000. Oh wait, this is something else. Images.google.com. Yeah, it's obviously a narration after all the things I messed up. So it's just images.google.com, see how fast it loads. And now I'm going to try my website, kg7yts.000web.com, and I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, it's got the forbidden error. Now, 00 web host app is, or 000 web host is trying to fix that right now. It's not currently working. There's a node that's affected that they're trying to work on fixing, but they'll fix it soon, so don't you worry. So this is just me trying to find something else to run. I don't think I found anything though. Yeah, I just went through to scroll through it again. Sorry for that yawn there. And yeah, I'm just going back through this stuff. And I think I'll open Audacity. And you can see me, you're gonna see me struggling with it, but yeah, I forgot the name of my microphone, so it's like, oh boy, what is it? And then I realized that it doesn't record sound, so all of that was for nothing. But you'll see that here in a minute. So this is where it messes up the first time. I stop it. I'm like, oh well, I'll change the microphone right here. Then so I'm like, oh, how do I do it? Then I'm like, no, that's not it, that's not it. Oh, you know what? Probably right by that microphone is where. So, yeah, I'm like, no. Oh, right there. So I try that. I forget the name of my microphone. So I just do the pulse mic. And I'm like, there, that must be it. So I'm playing with it. Nope, that's not it. Do do do. Do 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 do. So here we go. I'm like trying to remember how to delete it since it's been a while since I used Audacity. So I'm like, oh yeah, you click on it, boom, backspace, it's gone right. Wait, what's it doing? What? I know, okay, get it. You can stop that now. Okay, that's not working. There we go. So how do I delete it? Yes, the X, how did I forget that? There we go. And I'm like, well, maybe that's for the microphone. It's like, USB PNP, that's the name of it. So let's go ahead and push stop, and it's like, oh wait, wrong button. So let's go record, and still nothing. Yeah. So again, I'm like, how do I do this? So I'm like, yes, USB PNP. Let's try this again. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes, it works now. Woohoo! And let's just do a playback of it after I delete that one. So I'm going to just push play. You're not going to hear it, but yeah, it's basically testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Woo, it works. And there you go. So as you can see, it works. Took a while, but it works. So ta-da. I am so loving Ubuntu Mate. It is the best version of Linux I've ever used. It's easier to set up in Debian. It's a whole lot more lightweight than a lot of operating systems, so it's perfect for an older computer like mine. But yeah, I guess I'll close it right here. This is KG7YTS, and I'm clear.